batteries hooked up to the jumper cables. And on the F450, let's see if the old Power Stroke here will fire up. Okay, that's a start. Uh-oh. What do we buy here, fellas? This needs more voltage. Maybe we'll go buy new batteries. Fingers crossed. Alright, so I let it sit here and charge for about 10 or 15 minutes. Probably not that long because I'm impatient, but let's see if she'll fire now. Sounds a lot better. Wonder if I can get my leg under there to the gas pedal. Oh. Oh, it does run. It does fire up, boys. Gauge buster doesn't work very well, but that's natural seeing as how the killer is crushed down on it. Oh, boys and girls. Actually not that smoky either. I thought for sure it was going to be a lot more smoky. We honestly only have an ABS and a brake light, which that's because the caliper's ripped smooth off. The mileage is my big thing. Look at that mileage, 84,372. We got under 100,000 miles, 6.0, boys and girls. Let her idle here. I think it does need some fuel. I don't know how long it's sat like this, but she freaking fires up. We might even throw a big old curb on this thing. I'm just excited it runs. It'd be cool to see the drug. I know you guys cannot wait to hear that 6.0 sound. Oh, I am freaking pumped. The gas pedal is literally under the brake pedal. That's how hard of a hit this thing took. It's alive. Been running for about 15-20 minutes now. Had to jump it with a 6.4. Alright, well, we can shut off the old 6.4 now, because the 6.0 has been running for quite some time. Now, I do believe that there's a down injector. I did throw the scanner on it and everything, and I mean, you can feel it. You can kind of see in the exhaust pipe there. It has a little bit of a misfire. So I believe that it needs cylinder 6 injector. I will try to throw in how I kind of diagnose that. But I mean, she's running, guys. The 6.0 is actually running and driving. Well, I don't know if I'd say driving yet, because the frame is twisted pretty bad. As you can tell by the angle of the drive shaft, it comes out and goes hard over, and it would obviously never bolt to the rear of this. So I'm going to actually try to get this to bend over back where it needs to be. I have no idea how I'm going to do that, but I'd like to see if this thing moves under its own power. If it does. Oh, yes. And just so you know, that's not the 6.4 running. That is the sound of a 6.4, ladies and gentlemen. When you fell in there. No, you can't tell. Well, you can hear it. Oh, right there, you can tell the belt. See the belt moving? Belt spinning? Oh, yes. There you go. Look, it's got reverse. Alright, stop. Now drive. Look at that, guys. It actually has gears also. Let's see if it'll go through all of them. Oh, definitely gonna smoke that bearing out of there. Oh, it smells so bad. It has all the gears too. Oh, that bearing's definitely toast at this point. We got all the gears too, guys. This was definitely worth the purchase, to say the least. Go back into reverse. Oh yes, back into drive. Oh yes, boys and girls. So it does end up needing a cylinder 6 fuel injector, but that's something simple. I actually have a set of injectors in the house, so I'm not gonna let that bother me. But let's turn on some jams and just, I mean, let's just jam out. Take me away. Oh yeah, guys, this is gonna be a fun project for sure. All right, we're gonna shut her down. I don't think there's any coolant in her. Alright, we're gonna shut her down now. I'm just glad she runs. It's kind of weird that the gas pedal is literally under the brake pedal. But it is what it is. She definitely took a hard roll. There you have it, guys. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And who's excited for a 6.0 back on the channel? I've always loved these things. They run freaking phenomenal. They sound amazing with exhaust. And if you think we're not gonna put a tuner and exhaust on this thing, you are absolutely crazy. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap all the harnesses and everything into the 53 and we'll be good to go, guys. I mean, you can't get any worse than that. I mean, I literally paid $868 for a running and driving 6.0 with 84,000 miles. And one of the cool features, you come up here, 84,323. It has a fresh oil change in it. Let's see if I can show you the mileage here real quick. I think I showed it to you yesterday, but the mileage is literally 100 miles over. $84,317. I am freaking pumped, guys. This is going to be a fun build, and I know I could have done the Cummins It would have been a heck of a lot easier swapping everything, but I mean, guys, as you can tell by now, I definitely like to be different. I dare to be different, and I don't want to do the same thing that everyone else does. Plus, a 12 valve is an easy swap, and I guess that's originally why I picked it, but we're not doing it. As you can tell by the Bruce project, we are freaking nuts. We're out of our mind. Let's get a 6.0, and let's get a 6.0 in that 53. I am freaking pumped. All right, guys, smash that like button, please subscribe again, and I will see you in the next upload.